Hi, I'm Tom Werkman from Werkman Outfitters, and today I thought I'd give you a quick video tour of my fly tying room, so stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, clearly I'm in my basement, and I'm just walking into this room right now, and so over here, you can see I've got my fly tying desk that I built this out of just some 2x4s and some plank board, I guess is what you would call it. Over there is a moose antler picked up from Maine. On this wall here, I have some terminal tackle for conventional gear, and we still do that as part of our program of fishing on the Grand River in addition to fly fishing. And you can see I've got the TV here. I like having this widescreen or big screen TV because as I tie flies, it helps me see the detail of learning how to tie new flies. Coming around here, there's all the fly fishing Orvis rods that we have. Got an old repurposed lamp on there, just sitting on a repurposed stool. Got some fly rods up there. Come around here, here's another shelving unit with just some more conventional gear, some ice fishing gear. And then in here on this shelving unit, you can see that I've got a lot of floating line, different versions of sink tippet. Got some Hydros reels, we really like those Hydros reels. Got some Scientific Angler leader and some Scientific Angler wire leader as well too. Got some fly tying material in there, and then over there in the yellow box and the boxes above them, some flies that I've been tying up that we'll use on the Grand River this coming summer. Got the Yeti gear box, which I like to keep all of my gear in when I'm on the boat. In addition to that, I got an old Orvis boat box that I like to use as well along the way. It's on the way back out, but as you can see, you know, just room is coming along. I'm sure that it'll get built out more as I get more material coming in and as I get better at organization. It's my fly tying room. Hey, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. But if you like what you saw, follow us on YouTube, and until next time.